Caitlin from the EH&S office, and did you know that Dalhousie University has over 50 automated external defibrillators? Automated external defibrillators, AEDs for short, are devices that are used to help people who are experiencing cardiac arrest. AEDs are easy-to-use medical devices that will talk you through how to use them. AEDs analyze the heart's rhythm and, if necessary, deliver an electrical shock to help the heart re-establish an effective heartbeat. Let's take a minute to see this in action with our training simulator.
Look at pictures on pads. Peel one pad off blue plastic. Apply pad to bare skin, exactly as shown in the picture. Press pad firmly. Peel other pad off blue plastic. Apply pad to bare skin, exactly as shown in the picture. Press pad, do not touch patient. Evaluating heart rhythm. Stand by. Preparing to shock. Everyone clear. Press flashing button. Shock delivered. Provide chest compressions and rescue breaths.
AEDs are typically located in lobbies or atriums across campuses and are also carried by Dalhousie security. Buildings with an AED will have signs to help you locate the AED. This information can also be found on the EH&S office MyDal site. So, in an emergency situation, check to make sure it is safe to help, then call Dal Security or direct a bystander to do so. Then, grab your nearest AED, open it up, and follow its directions until Dalhousie security or emergency responders arrive.